Hello. In this short video I will introduce you to the 80-inch Supernova mobile screen from DNP. It's a portable screen, easy to carry, in a lightweight silver metal frame. It's either for the people on the roads or for those who do not want a permanent installation. To install the screen, you just turn the feet like that. Turn the nut to unlock it, press to release, and then with the handle you raise the screen to the position you want. Up here is the maximum height. So you see, it's very easy to install and to use the screen. With the Supernova Mobile, you get exact same superior image quality as you do with all the other DNP Supernova screens. Meaning you will have excellent image quality even in a bright light environment. You will have very good contrast, and you have very good viewing angles. We offer this mobile screen at a very attractive price, meaning it will give you an overall cost-effective solution. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to know more about DNP or Supernova screens in general, please visit our website. Thank you.